IBAB, the Institute of Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology, is a unique initiative of the Karnataka government to promote the biotech industry. The institute focuses on enhancing the education, research and entrepreneurship in bioinformatics and biotechnology. The highly interdisciplinary subject of bioinformatics has become extremely relevant in view of the large amount of biological data that is being churned out every day. Today, every life science organization, whether academic or industrial, that is performing quality research and development is incomplete without a qualified bioinformatician.
Okay, the subject of bioinformatics has become extremely relevant today than it was ever before in view of the humongous amount of information, biological information that is coming out in large amount. It has become necessary to integrate bioinformatics with life science, especially in teaching programs, to generate new brand of professionals who are conversant with computer languages and many aspects of physical sciences like statistics, mathematics. Now with this idea, this institute was established almost 10 years ago.
An education in bioinformatics brings with it essential concepts in statistics, mathematics and algorithms, for instance, which have become important for the quantitative interpretation of biological data.
We are able to integrate the computational approaches and the molecular biology techniques, even the advanced techniques. We have been able to sequence RNA using the next generation sequencing technologies here, and we are able to validate the type of new algorithms we are developing and thereby identify genes which are very strongly associated with certain disease conditions. And now we are in fact on the way of establishing the system, complete system as a molecular network. The type of molecules we have identified associated with the disease, now we are able to integrate them, tell what type of molecular network exists in the normal condition and now how is it changing in the disease condition. And we are able to do this again with the type of facilities we have got here.
It has also become necessary to create biologist professionals who are conversant with computer programming languages.
The subject of biology has been completely transformed with the advent of new bioinformatic techniques by introducing very sophisticated methods of analysis of mathematics, statistics and very high throughput analysis techniques and extremely sophisticated software for analyzing data coming every day in our life. So the challenge is in IBAB as a faculty, our challenge is to prepare our students for this ever transforming field. And I'll say that IBAB is doing a good job. It gives us immense pleasure as faculties to see our students who come from every different fields like botany, zoology, engineering, mathematics and all other fields. After coming here, within 2 years of their MSc course, completely learning the wet lab techniques as well as all the analysis methods and data interpretation methods, and then ready for going to the industry and for research. And we feel that these are the times where the opportunities are infinite and students are really prepared by IBAB and they are good for it.
Most importantly, learning of computer programming languages early will remove any apprehension or fear of handling computer-related biological research, which has become indispensable for modern-day life science R&D.
IBAB is a unique place to be in because it has incorporated very different disciplines of science together, and it's a need of the hour that the bioinformatics and biology be done together with the large data to be analyzed and to be applied to the field of biology. Learning a lot of new computation, the use of the computation biology, the need for it. Being a biologist, it has really helped me to look at a very different angle as to how we can apply what we have as resources in our hand and make it faster and much more translational. And that's what we do here at IBAB.
Thus, bioinformatics tools help researchers analyze terabytes or petabytes of data and gain useful insights into biological phenomenon.
In the BioIT Center, we use high throughput instrument. For example, what you see right in front of here is a next generation DNA sequencing instrument. And instruments like this churn out hundreds of terabytes of data in 1 year.
An important area of applicability, for instance, is that of clinical genomics for the diagnosis and prognosis of disease conditions. IBAB has strong interactions with industry as well as academia. The institute also promotes entrepreneurship. Many companies are being incubated in IBAB.
IBAB has been great. It's a fantastic core facility. For us, it gives us all the support we need infrastructure-wise, as well as we get valuable advice from them about different things, including ordering equipment or doing experiments. We have all the help we need from them.
IBAB has provided us much needed support. IBAB has a world-class infrastructure and other lab facilities. IBAB faculties are actually providing us lots of support during our incubation period. We are wholeheartedly thankful to IBAB for providing us such a wonderful support.
The MSc in Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology, a program initiated at IBAB 3 years ago, is intended to produce postgraduates who are well versed in the various facets of bioinformatics.
IBAB runs a unique MSc in Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology. It welcomes students from around the country having a variety of backgrounds, a BSc or BTech in any area of science or technology. Age is also no barrier. We have had students in their 30s, even a student 40-year-old who has joined the course earlier. So we welcome students to come and avail of the excellent facilities that we have, both classroom and lab.
I have come from B, the electronics and telecommunication background. Although it's not my field, the lecturer here have come to my level to teach me things, and I appreciate that thing a lot here.
You get a lot of laboratory handling skills.
IBAB has well-trained faculty with varying disciplinary backgrounds and with many years of teaching experience.
Our extremely dedicated faculty, we are not too many in number, but people have excellent degrees, post-PhDs and postdoctoral research experience, and they bring all that expertise to the classroom. We have huge numbers of alumni, more than 500 students, most of whom, around 75% of whom, have gone to industry, and others who are pursuing their PhD in excellent places, University of Cambridge, Cornell University, within the country at the IITs and elsewhere. So whether you're interested in working for industry or in pursuing a PhD, we welcome you to come to IBAB.
Faculty members are also active in research with top-notch research publications. Most importantly, they are passionate about teaching and have a compassionate mindset. The course equips students to understand biological issues as well as instill confidence in them to learn advanced topics on their own.
My PhD work mainly involves understanding the regulation of gene expression in different mammalian tissues using thanks to the state-of-art facilities of IBAB that my research is progressing well, and we were able to publish in many reputed international journals.
Students trained in this program develop multitasking capabilities critical in an industry environment, and most have availed of opportunities to work in the life science industry.
One of the unique features of IBAB I found is the confidence that is instilled in the students. Even the students who come from very rural background have been doing very exceptionally well in the industries.
I think IBAB has done a phenomenal job attracting students like you're seeing in this room, who are really very curiosity driven. They are very, very excited by what science has to offer.
IBAB has received a good support by many academic institutes, particularly by means of guest lectures. Students and researchers have been lucky to listen to and interact with several Nobel laureates and other equally good speakers. IBAB is one of its kind in the country, providing such skilled manpower to companies in the life science sector. Many students prefer to go to academia to PhD programs either in India or abroad.